got all wet. Oh no. No! You're all nasty now. My good friend Jeremy just bought a fire engine. We were firefighters together on Kimball Township. Oh, he's coming to bring it over so we can check it out. This might be him. This is crazy.
There's my cab lights. It's on a separate switch. Cab lights.
Cab lights?
The orange lights on cab lights.
Oh yeah, like the running light. Hey, how you doing?
I was trying to fix the fuel gauge. It's just simple 2 little wires that go to a little thing on top of the gas tank back there, but I can't get it to work.
That's crazy. You're low on water. Wow, it's like we're back in the department. That's crazy. And it's your own. What year is this?
1990.
Really? It looks older than 1990.
Carl said he's got a lateral thing for me.
Oh, really? I remember these. What's that? Oh, overhead.
Just like all times.
Yeah, right? You should get some of those retired hoses.
That's why I asked him. He goes, "We gotta have some laying around there."
Yeah. Is that louder than ours?
Yeah. That's loud. There's 2 of them. Listen how quiet this is compared to ours, too. It's pretty damn quiet.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to look at a parts truck on, well, actually tomorrow. It's in my old neighborhood. Because it's got, these are chrome on it, so I'm going to try to get them off because, you know, that's rotted through. Any orange little square tags to this side, they're like there. That's like the heat tags.
Oh, they have. Oh, yeah, right there.
There's some
on that side. Those heat tags.
pretty sketchy.
That's crazy.
So I want to make move and come back.
It doesn't sound. I feel like our engines were louder. Maybe. What is that? How is that? Because the engine's not right here?
Yeah, this is a cab over, so we're sitting on top of the engine.
Right, but it doesn't sound nearly as loud as our trucks did. Like, I can comfortably hear and talk to you in here.
It's a little louder when you're on the road, but it ain't too bad.
And there he goes. That is insane. That's like every child's dream, to have their own fire truck. So this is what happened to that circuit breaker that I was working on, the fuse. It didn't last much longer. Yeah. That looks bad. Right, Diesel? I love this. This is a new playground that comes with exercise equipment. I've never seen that.
Gord, stop filming me.
You don't want any sun?
sunscreen. Prevent skin cancer.
How is it, Arvin?
What?
The beach.
Let's go try the water. Here, leave your shoes here.
Wait, is that?
What? Tony, check out that boat. I want that. There's a shipping channel that comes across through into Port Huron underneath the Blue Water Bridge. So ships come in underneath the Blue Water Bridge from Lake Huron. That's what this guy's doing. He'll probably go like through Detroit. Actually, I can find out where this guy's going. Let me look him up. He's going to Toledo, Ohio. That's time to eat.
Vinegar, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. We usually eat it with rice.
Okay.
Ground pork with some peas. You just saute it with garlic and onion. Same noodles with cabbage, chicken, soy sauce, and salt and pepper.
Okay.
What is this? I don't know. I did not make this one. That's not this.
And what did you choose, Arvin?
Barbecue. The little fishes.
It's chicken.
A little fish.
Ooh.
I think same version with that.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And
What are you eating?
I'll find something.
Okay. Wow.
You don't mind this being on YouTube, do you?
I'm here. Okay. How do I eat it?
Close up.
Just eat it like that.
Most of the viewers probably have already had this.
Yeah, with your teeth because it's too hard.
Not bad.
Is it tough?
Yeah.
It's boring. It's like that.
So what do you do with it?
Sure.
Chew it.
It's actually good.
And remove the bony.
Rawr.
Okay. What's the flavor?
Barbecue.
Really?
Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Huh.
I think you can try it. Corey.
I would have tried it in the Philippines, but we never cooked it. I saw it at the market, but we didn't buy it.
Yeah.
Probably because Arvin doesn't eat it. But yeah, if we had cooked it back then, I would have had it. But now that I'm vegetarian, I wouldn't.
So are you now? Is it just something temporarily or what?
No plans to end it, but I don't know. Never say forever.